Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on security keys on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First, uh, click settings. Now click security settings, and now you will find it here. You'll find security keys. Just click on it, and this will be turned on. And that's how to turn on security keys on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.